In April of 2016, my little brother Cash Money was released from prison after serving 8 years. In celebration of that, on the 16th, we threw him a block party. A few hours before the block party, I went to the Gucci store, not only just to buy some stuff, but also to buy something to wear to the party. This video shows that shopping experience, and afterwards shows a short unboxing of the stuff I wore to the party.
Emma. This one, right?
This
Oh, this one, the new record.
Yeah.
All black.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah?
We used to have them.
Oh, but you're
Yeah.
bringing them back.
Yes, they're gonna bring them back. Oh, yes, 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 I remember. We don't
Okay, thank you so much.
Have a good day.
All right. This is gonna be a little bit unorthodox because I'm running behind. I was supposed to be at the block party, and I'm not there yet. So we're gonna get right into it. Usually I start off right with the officiating and the receipts, but y'all just see me buy this stuff, so I ain't got time to go look for them. The shoes was like $550, I think. The belt was like 400 and some change. All of it, well, both items down from the show was like a little under $1,000. I picked these shoes for the block party. One, because they black, and I might have to walk through sand and grass today. Two, because they have a big piece of monogram on them. For me, when you buy designer gear, if someone can't look at it and know exactly right away it's the brand that you purchased, you wasted your money. And I think especially with a designer brand, but with all brands, that's where the success of that brand lies. Like Nike. If someone wearing a Nike shirt, the second you see the swoosh or you see the bold big letters Nike, you know immediately know what it is. So for you to spend a whole bunch of money on designer and no one even know what it is, it's a waste of money. But these shoes, you know, they of high quality. They're made of butter soft leather, so that's like the only drawback. They made of that real soft leather, so they're probably gonna wear faster than most designer shoes would. But I still like the quality, the craftsmanship. They feel great on the feet, and they fly. The way the two sides of monogram are just sliced and placed on both sides of the shoe just scream bam, awesome. Now this belt is their new GG design belt. It just came out. I asked specifically, could I get it in black? I wasn't sure they had it in black because it wasn't on display, but she said, yeah, they had it, and she went and got it for me. Now the buckle got a good little amount of weight to it. Good little bit of weight. I believe it's made out of brass. If you hit someone with it, they gone. They out of there. The belt itself is made of good quality. My belts usually always last. And the black ones of plain leather usually last longer than the monogram ones. That's the experience I done had with them. I bought a wide variety of things, most of which I do not have time to show. I still got to get dressed, but I at least want to show what I bought that I'm going to wear to the party. We finna be popping Ace of Spades like it's bottles of water. Holla. Motherfucker want it, any kind of way you want it, nigga. Gold ballers, what you poppin', nigga. G.W.C, fly ass motherfucking game boys.
What's that? This bitch, I'm free.
Fly ass motherfucking
get some money.
game boys.
Hey, better get your money up.